For the first 6 years of making music, I never released a single song. And not because I thought they were bad songs, but because I was actually afraid of being judged. But once I fixed that part, everything changed. I had lots of ideas, hooks, chord progressions, and like full pages of lyrics and notes and ideas, even full songs, but nothing ever got past the finish line. And back then, I actually thought that the problem was time. I was working full time, so music was just something I squeezed into the evenings and weekends. And I kept telling myself, when I have more time, I'll release my music or I'll finally make that album. But something else started to creep in a little bit too. The thoughts of me saying, like, well, maybe I'm just not good enough yet to share my music. I knew at the time I could sing. I had a good voice. I knew some of the songs were good, but just finishing them and getting something out and putting it out into the world, that's where everything stopped. So looking back now, the real problem was I cared just way too much about what people would think of me. I didn't even share songs with my wife at the time. I kept everything to myself. They were locked away in my notebook or just like buried in an early GarageBand project. So when I finally started sharing, I wouldn't even actually do it in person. I would send a text so I didn't have to have that like initial feedback of face to face. That's how much I was protecting myself. And I think a lot of musicians get stuck in this exact trap. They think, okay, I'll release music when I'm better or maybe when I have more time. But the truth is, you don't get better until you actually let people hear it. Everything changed when I started just like publishing music and getting real feedback. But here's the difference. I stopped getting feedback from just friends or family. I wanted to avoid that feedback that was like, oh, this is great, or you're amazing, when you're really not. I wanted that constructive feedback. The feedback that kind of like stings a little bit, the one that say like this part actually sucks or this part needs improvement or this part doesn't work. It's the feedback that actually gives you direction. And that's really when things clicked for me. I also remember hearing like Ed Sheeran say something before, like describing turning on an old water tap. At first, the water is muddy and it flows out all muddy, but if you keep running the water, it eventually clears up. And that idea really, really stuck with me. It was then when I was like, okay, I'm going to stop treating every song like the one, like it has to be the hit, and start seeing each song as just like one stepping stone or one step on a ladder. And after that, it felt like there was an unlock for me. I started writing more songs. There was no pressure. I just made it a point to write a song every day. It's just one step on the ladder, and that's all I need to do, even if the songs are bad. So when I started doing that for a while after that, I was like, okay, well, I'll just start releasing one song a month on Spotify and still just treating it like every step on a ladder, not worrying about where the songs will go. Now I've released over hundreds of songs on Spotify and produced hundreds of songs. It didn't happen overnight. It took years. And when I listen back to the early stuff now of when I was afraid to release it, I hear it in a completely different lens now. It's not that it was really amazing stuff. It's just understanding that's where I was at in the moment. And all I needed was more reps. And I think you might be there too. Finishing songs has way less actually to do with skill and way more to do with willingness. The willingness to just be seen and the willingness to actually just be judged. That's really the life of an artist. You have to be comfortable being judged. So if you're in that phase right now where you have these ideas, but you just can't seem to get across the finish line, I think a good place to start would be getting that constructive feedback. The feedback that stings a bit and it's going to hurt, but it gives you complete direction. So check out this link here and I'll take you to a page where you can apply to be in one of our next cohorts where we do exactly that. We're going to give you that feedback that stings. We'll give you that structure and the momentum to help you finish your music and get it across the finish line. So I hope to see you there.